Hi, I'm Selby Glass, Safety Supervisor for the Franklin Special District. Tennessee law now requires that all students receive instruction in firearm safety. So joining me today is Sergeant Tori Shelby with the Williamson County Sheriff's Office, and we are going to cover some important information that every student needs to know. Let's just start with the basics. What is a firearm? Is it just another word for a gun?
Yes, ma'am. A firearm is a gun. Examples of firearms would include shotguns, rifles, handguns, and things of that nature.
What are some gun safety tips that everybody should know?
Guns are not toys. Any gun you find could be real and could be dangerous, regardless of the size or condition. That's why we always say if you find a gun, follow the firearm safety rules.
For students who don't know those rules, could you share them with us?
Yes, ma'am. If you find a gun anywhere, you should immediately stop what you're doing, do not touch the gun, leave the area, and go tell an adult or a teacher.
But how do you know the difference between a real gun, a toy gun, a BB gun?
It can be hard to tell the difference. Toys can look like the real thing. They might even have an orange tip. Sometimes people will paint over the tip to make it look real. So to avoid any confusion, we always tell students to never bring any toys that look like weapons on the school campus. And that includes water guns, BB guns, and even airsoft guns.
What else should we tell our students about gun safety?
Real guns should always be stored and locked securely, preferably in a gun safe. Ammunition should be stored in a place separate from the weapon. And of course, real guns should always be out of sight and out of reach of children.
This is great information. Thank you for sharing it with us. It takes all of us working together to keep our schools safe. That's why we practice the motto, see something, say something. If you ever see something dangerous at your school, tell an adult right away. You have the power to prevent something dangerous from happening on your campus.
Thank you for taking the time to watch. This is information that could genuinely make a difference for you and everyone around you.
A huge thank you to Sergeant Shelby for breaking this down for us today. And remember, you're equipped with information that can make a real difference.